Hey folks, what are we doing? We're Tuesday, 28th of March 2023. Welcome to the pre-US session. Very tight activity yesterday for equities and a nice late bid coming through the market into the close. Very slight stuff, but a positive finish. I think for equities, especially on the DAX here. Finishing towards on the highs.
I think
So
Venezuela's
really,
Credit Suisse was a company
we
specific.
just have comments of Bailey coming across the bow at the moment, speaking on SVB and what they were doing in the Bank of England to react to the SVB crisis. Anyway, couple of things to note yesterday. Number one, oil. All three targets hit on oil yesterday. What did we get? We had, so let's see, at about 9:53 a.m., one of the guys was like, "What are the targets here, Tim? What are the targets for the upside?" And I said at 9:53, 71.20s, 71.90s, and 72.90s. And we hit T3 on that at about 8 minutes past 7 last night. And wonderful, wonderful trading there yesterday. All right, so if you want to trade the way we trade, you would have been long here, PVAH, about 69.39s yesterday. Bammo, up we go. T3 hit 72.90s, hit just right here before the close. And no signs of coming down. So you can see this market is rallying now again off of the 72.67. It's only up 0.6%. But I think we need to go even higher on this thing to 76s up top. All right. So lovely, lovely trading on oil yesterday. Risk reward, long there. Take it at T3s. That's about six. What's that per contract? It's about six. What is it? $6,000. Okay. No. So that's about it's about 3.5 grand per single contract traded there. Nice, nice, nice. And actually, the risk reward was could have very tight risk on that. 10 ticks, 20 ticks. All right, so you're doing about 15, between 15 to 1 on 20 ticks risk, and on 10 ticks of risk, you'd have a 33 to 1 on that one. So lovely trading here on oil yesterday. So really, really nice. Some of the guys in the room and myself on that trade, we're loving it. Oil is back. Oil is back. That's the news today, boys and girls. Now, we are testing here. See this? We are testing on this breakout area, and this is a really large flag here. So the pole on the flag is down. All right. So we exited to the downside. All right. And we went down, and we didn't hit 63.31s, but you want to be really careful initiating any longs here, as we're kind of trading against this downtrend here, right? This breakout area. So just be really careful. We could see a little bit of a reversal down, although it's very strong, rallying off of the 72.67s here. So, for me, just a day to watch on oil. I have nibbled away at shorts here and just, being stopped on two occasions here already. So I'm going to leave that alone. And I am still long equities. I'm long DAX from Friday's lows. Well, actually, just semi-lows here. Along this area on DAX, I'm looking for the big one, 15,483s and higher. Not a very popular trade. Most people do want to sell this banking risk scenario, but for me, we have QE. The banking crisis, guess what? It's over, guys. It's over. KRC is up on the FRC, First Republican Bank. We're up quite a bit here on the pre. Just let me figure there. We're up 5% on the pre on First Republic Bank right now. I think everything the banks have done on both sides of the ocean has amounted to QE, quantitative easing, and with that, we should maintain a bid. Now that's going against what most of the market is kind of thinking here and pricing in. But if we look at some key indicators like VIX, you see yesterday, well, look, VIX got sold down after such a huge rally. After such a huge rally to the upside, over the banking crisis, bam, up into the 27s, 28s here. And we're kind of just getting rid of that now. We're kind of selling down. Yeah, the support's at 22, spot 25s here on VIX. But generally, I think, below 23 120s, we should go down even further on VIX right now. So, yeah, that's what's happening there. So, yeah, a little bit of sideways action. We are completely flat as a pancake on SPOOs right now, 0.01 down. Dow was up 0.13. But I think we are in for some upside here, guys, really. Nasdaq, very tough day yesterday as well for some of the team. Buyer on PVAL, nice trade up to PVAH, and then just kind of get flat and enjoy that little trade coming in there at 5, half 5, and 6 o'clock yesterday. Bam, trade done at 8 o'clock pre the close. But yeah, I mean, it's very tough. It's very tough right now. I'd be surprised if not more people than I think are blowing up accounts over the last couple of months, to be honest. So retail participation is super, super, super low right now. And you know what? I don't blame them, because these are very, very difficult trading conditions. Are we going higher? Are we going lower? We should be going lower because of the banking crisis. But yeah, it's kind of priced in. You know what else is priced in? Is a recession is priced in. Here we are with the dollar looking for a pullback on the APAC selling that it's had, destination 102 spot 88, and then I'd look to get long on the euro at that point. And that's going to be long euro 1 spot 08450s, bang, and I think that trade will survive. Let's see though. Let's see. The day is long. One trade we are absolutely loving here this morning is the short on the bond from just above PVAL. Loving it. Thank you. We love this trade. So we're going down here, boys and girls, and really I think destination T1's 135.30s just coming up here for me, 135.30s. And then I don't see this market going much below 22s today, but if it does, the Milky Bars are on me. All right, so risk being sold, all right, telling us that, there is a risk on move, as in long equity, short bonds, right? We are seeing there is a sort of a risk on move in the works here, brewing itself up. T-notes down, bund down, 0.5% on the bund, 0.35 on Dow, or on T-notes on the 10-year US. So, meanwhile, equities are just planning their campaign here. All right. Okay. Excuse me. All right. That is it for me for another pre-US session. For the guys on the team, as always, we'll be on at 1:45 for a detailed technical look from the Alpha Edge viewpoint of things. If you want to be part of that tech review and tech inside look at the markets, come and join us in Duggan Capital. Click the link on the website, send me an email. Yeah. All right. Listen, have a great session, and I'll talk to you later.
Apollo 11, this is Houston. You are confirmed to go for orbit. Roger.